And let me turn the microphone on. Okay, I just drew a box here in Pro 2016. Now I'm going to make a shower. I'm going to draw a wall there, then I'm going to open it up and go to wall types and change that to, there it is, glass shower. Now I've got same wall type handle enabled, so I'm going to take that wall and extend it. Now I've got a camera open, and there's my shower. Now it's a little bit unfinished, but let's take some additional steps, and we'll give it a tile floor, for instance. Go over here to floor finish. Well, I guess maybe it's over here. There it is, floor finish. All right. We'll change that to tile. Go over here to flooring. Well, no, I guess we'll go to tile. Yeah. Stone. And I don't care. We'll pick something in here. That's fine, just for purposes. And now our shower has a tile floor. Now, everything's fine. Now, I thought maybe what happened to you was, if we were to open the dialog box for this bathroom and change the walls, not wall covering, excuse me, materials, walls, to let's just say black or something like that, just some other material than drywall. I don't see the colors. There it is, colors, generic colors, black. And see what happens when I click OK. My glass walls now are black because I told them to. So that's what I thought maybe caused your problem. I'm going to hit Control Z, which undoes that. If you wanted to have different walls and materials in here, you'd be better served to click on that wall and hit the Tab key. But you see that wall extends into the shower, so you want to go to Plan View and use the Wall Break tool right where those shower walls are and separate those out. Then you could open these walls here, Shift Select them, and change the material for walls or interior surface. There we go. It's just how you apply materials kind of determines the outcome sometimes, as I've already shown you. So now we're going to make the walls black. But just the ones I selected will be black. See, not the shower walls. Shower walls, I broke them off with the wall break tool, and now I can take those two walls, open them up, and add a wall covering, or I could just go to the Materials tab, Interior Wall Surface, and then we'll put some tile on there. How you apply materials sometimes controls the outcome. That's one way to do it. Now, if I wanted the tile to stop before the ceiling, then I would do that differently. I'd shift select these two walls here. We'll go over here to the Materials tab and get rid of that. I'm going to go how I get rid of it is by setting it to default. See, I don't see it. Oh, Plan Materials, use default. There you go. And that sets it back to drywall. And this is explained in the manual, but it's a big manual. There's almost 1,600 pages, so I'm not pronouncing you guilty of not reading the manual. There's a lot there to digest. Okay, now I've done that. You go over to the Wall Covering tab and click on Add New, and I'll pick out some tile for that. Yeah, we'll use latte tile. Now I've got a sign there. The floor bottom I'm going to set to 0. The height I'm going to set to 84 inches, 7 feet, and click OK. We'll go back to the camera view. See, now we got tile up to 7 feet. And then you can click on the glass, hit the tab key, and then pull this down. If you don't want the glass to go all the way to the ceiling, I'm going to click on that wall, hit the tab key, pull the glass down. Now also, you might notice there's a base mold in my shower. I'm going to open the dialog box for that, go over to moldings, uncheck use floor default, and click delete. That gets rid of the base mold. Now I still have it out here, but that's kind of okay. Now if I want to get really fancy, then I would go to the library browser and click on showers, architectural fixtures, showers. Pull that down out of the way. Shower pans, and we'll put a shower pan in there like that. Make it fit the shower. Now it looks a little bit better. Of course, it's still got this goofy base mold around it, but one way to handle that is easy, is just to click on the pan and then hit the control key and drag it through a little bit. That makes it a little bit more realistic looking, in my opinion. Then you can put a door in there and make the door 3/8 of an inch thick, and change its attributes until it looks like a glass door and so forth. But the main thing I wanted to show you is this quirk about how you set the materials for walls. Like if you go over to here, then it's going to, even if you have glass walls in here, it's going to put that material on the glass walls. So that's kind of non-optimum. Okay, I guess now if I wanted to make these little rectangles up here black, then I would click on that wall, open it, the wall dialog for that wall, go to wall covering, and add another one. And we'll make this one black to match the rest of the room. I'm just saying. So we'll go over to generic. There it is. Now I think this one's floor to bottom should be 84 because I got tile on the rest of it. And then let's see what that looks like. Yeah, okay. That's not high enough, so I'm going to click on that, select next, open the dialog, to the wall specification dialog, go to wall covering, and I'll make that 0. I guess I ought to make it, oh, I see what it is. I need to make it about 24 inches in height, and the floor to bottom 84. I think that'll probably work better. Oh, not quite. Oh. I'm messing it up. Okay. Yeah, this one should be floor to bottom 0. Height. I see what I did. 84. And then go to the other one, the black one. That should be 24, 84 to the bottom. There we go. That's what I had in mind. You could do the same thing over here. It's how you assign materials that often defines the outcome. And so you're setting it from the room dialog box is fine as long as you don't have any glass walls in the thing, or walls that you want to have them show transparent or something. You wouldn't assign it through the room dialog box. You would sign it through the Wall Specification dialog, Materials tab. Or you could use the Wall Covering tab to get a specific effect. Anyway, I think that's probably what's going on in your plan, and you might take a look at that and see if that doesn't help. Okay, thanks for your kind attention.